Another day for me, the Kevin. I'm so sleepy, yet I must delicately rouse myself, for I am an important being with important things to do today. Life is never easy when you're a cat. Following a satisfying meal, I practice my lightning-fast attack moves on my hapless victim. I am feared, for I am a cat. And now I am bored. Here I am. No one else here. Nope, I do not notice you, little mouse. You are a figment of my kitty imagination. No reason to fear me, that's it. Run along now, run along. Then I pounce! Having destroyed my prey, I have decided that I crave attention. So I give myself a quick bath. Freshly bathed, I find some humans whom I can manipulate with my feline charms.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, what an exhausting day. It is not easy being a cat, but that is how I make my living. Well, that and the pimping.
Okay, let me see what you got. There's $50 here. It's $50 here. Is this it? Is this it? Are you holding out on me? Hey, I said, are you holding out on me? Because I don't like it when my bitches hold out on me. Don't you walk away from me. I'll kick your goddamn ass. I'll kick your ass. Shut the fuck up. I'm running a business. Get out of my way. You get out on the street. This isn't a charity. Move it. Move it. Shake it.